Welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this video I'm going to teach you how to play the piano accompaniment part to Imagine by John Lennon. So before we get into the video, if you're brand new here, please consider subscribing to Bitesize Piano and go check out my channel for many more piano tutorials such as this one. Hit the like button if it's been useful and that you have enjoyed the video. I do take piano tutorial requests, so stick around to the end of the video where you can learn how you can request a tutorial from me. So there's literally only 3 different sections that we need to learn, so 3 different chord progressions that will, when pieced together in the right order, will make up the entire song. So I'm going to teach you all of those sections today. So that comprises of the verse, which is also the same as the intro, the bridge sections, and then the chorus as well. So on the screen now is the entire structure of the song. So the parts that are in orange are the sections we're going to go through, and then the ones in grey are just repeats of those other sections. So this one is in the key of C major. So on the screen now are all the notes of the scale of C major. So the chords and the melody are formed mostly using these notes. So here is middle C for reference. So we're playing a bit further down in the bass section of the piano. So we're going to have a look at the right hand first. So you're going to be in this C position, C chord position, which is C, E and G. So I'm going to put my 2 and 3 fingers on there and play the E and G at the same time. E and G, C, E and G, C, E and G, C, and then G and B, C, and the last bit is F and A, and then C, F and A, C, F and A, C, and then I'm going to come up and play F and A again, and then A sharp, and then B, like that. So this makes up the intro as well as the entire verse as well. So actually the majority of the song. So I'll do that again. So for the intro, that repeats twice. So the chord structure there is C major and a quick C major 7 into F major. So the left hand, you're just going to be following those root notes. So we have C and then F. That's it. So I'm going to put that together for you now. Again. So for the intro you play that through twice, and then for each verse you play that through 4 times. Now we're going to have a look at what I've called the bridge part. So imagine all the people, that section. So we're still going to be playing in this way, so playing like a chord and then a single note, chord, then a single note. So rocking back and forth. So the first chord is based around the F major. So first of all we have A and C, then F, A and C, F, A and C, and then your thumb moves down to E, and do that again. And then you're going to play that again, but this time with your 2, 3 and 5 on F, A and C. And the next chord is a D, the next chord will form a D minor 7. So we're going to play the chord and then D twice, and then going to do that again, and then move your thumb down to C. So I'll just do what we've got so far of the bridge. So and then the next little bit, so we're going to come up to now what's a G major position on G, B and D. I'm going to play B and D, G, 2, 3, and then move these notes up to C and E, and then you're going to move them up again to D and F, and then just play that as a chord and hold that down for 4 beats. So that last bit again goes so I'm going to join all of the bridge part now in the right hand. So now we're going to have a look at the left hand part to that section. So you're going to need to place your thumb on G. So we're going to go F, F, E, E, D, D, C, C, G, G, and G again. So I'm going to very slowly put that hands together for you now. So now I'm going to play it from the very beginning, so the intro into the first verse, into the first bridge, back into the intro again. So this is just to show you how to transition between these sections. So at this point, this is now where we're going to have a look at the very last section to cover, which is the chorus. I've called it the chorus. So we'll look at the right hand first. So first of all, we have A and C, F, A and C, F, and then G and B, D, G and B, D, and then we have G and C, E, G and B, E, G sharp and B, then G sharp and D, E. And then that chord progression repeats 1, 2, 3 times. So I'm just going to play through that for you now in the right hand. Last little bit is back to the F bit again. Then you're going to go up to B and D and G, and then play C major, first inversion, which is E, G and C. So the chorus is only played twice in the entire song. So we're going to have a look at the left hand now. So the first time you play the chorus, at the end, your left hand does something slightly different than when the chorus ends the song. So the left hand, you're going to play F, G, G, C, E. Then it does that again. And then again. And then we have this C, C, G, C, A, C, B, C. So I'm going to play the chorus together for you now, and then after the chorus, you would then go straight into the third verse. So I'm going to show you how to transition from the chorus into the third verse, into the bridge, and then into the last chorus, which is the end, which is also the outro. So that concludes all the sections needed to play this one all the way through, and I hope it's been useful seeing how the sections go from one into another. Remember to subscribe if you're brand new here, and like the video if it was helpful. If you would like to request a piano tutorial from me, you must be subscribed, and you need to follow the link that I've left in the comment section of this video, and that takes you through to my official request space where you can request any song you'd like to learn. All requests are noted and considered. I do listen to them all, so make sure to hit the notifications bell because your request could be coming up soon, or something could come up that you quite fancy learning. So I hope to see you in future videos. Bye bye.